Top 5 religions in the world based on the number of adherents are 1. Christianity. With over 2.3 billion followers, Christianity is the largest religion in the world. It is based on the life and teachings of Jesus Christ and is divided into various denominations like Catholicism, Protestantism, and Eastern Orthodoxy. 2. Islam. Islam is the second largest religion with over 1.8 billion followers. It was founded in the 7th century by Prophet Muhammad and is based on the teachings of the Quran. Muslims follow the 5 pillars of Islam as fundamental acts of worship and devotion. 3. Hinduism. Hinduism is one of the oldest religions, with approximately 1.2 billion followers, primarily in India and Nepal. It is a diverse faith with a wide range of beliefs and practices, emphasizing the concepts of karma, dharma, and moksha. 4. Buddhism. Founded in the 6th century BCE by Siddhartha Gautam, Buddha, Buddhism has around 520 million followers. It emphasizes the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path to achieve enlightenment and liberation from suffering. 5. Sikhism. Sikhism, founded in the 15th century in Punjab, India, has around 30 million followers. It promotes the teachings of its 10 gurus and emphasizes the importance of meditation, devotion, and selfless service.